Hey everyone, Jimmy here, and today we're going to transform that leftover cream cheese into something extraordinary. Stay tuned for 4 incredible recipes that will make you rethink tossing that cream cheese. Let's get started. Alright folks, first up we're tackling breakfast, and let me tell you, this ain't your grandma's French toast. Unless your grandma's a total culinary genius, then maybe it is. We're talking cream cheese stuffed French toast. First things first, you need some thick-cut bread. We're talking Texas toast level thickness here, people. Next up, grab your cream cheese, obviously. Now here's where the magic happens. Mix that creamy goodness with a little sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon. Boom! Flavor explosion! Spread that heavenly mixture between 2 slices of bread, dip the whole thing in some eggy goodness, and then sizzle it up on a pan until it's golden brown and crispy. Next up, we're ditching the jarred sauce and whipping up a creamy, dreamy pasta sauce that'll rock your world. Don't worry, this isn't your average Alfredo sauce. This is next-level deliciousness, and it all starts with, you guessed it, cream cheese! Grab a saucepan and melt some butter over medium heat. Then toss in some garlic because everything's better with garlic, right? Once that garlic is fragrant, it's time for the star of the show. Cream cheese. Let it melt and get all bubbly, then slowly whisk in some milk until you've got yourself a silky smooth sauce. Chapter 3. Cream cheese brownies prepare for fudgy heaven. Alright, sweet tooths, it's time to get our chocolate on. We're about to make the most decadent, fudgy brownies known to humankind, and guess what the secret ingredient is? Yep, you got it. Cream cheese. Now I know what you're thinking. Cream cheese and brownies? What kind of sorcery is this? Trust me guys, this is pure genius. Start by melting some unsweetened chocolate and butter together. While that's melting, whisk together your sugar and eggs until they're nice and fluffy. Then gently fold in the melted chocolate mixture, followed by the dry ingredients. Now for the piece de resistance, dollop spoonfuls of cream cheese on top of the brownie batter and swirl it in with a toothpick. Chapter 4. Cream cheese dip, the ultimate party starter. Last, but definitely not least, we're whipping up a crowd-pleasing dip that'll vanish faster than you can say cream cheese. This is the ultimate party starter, and it only takes minutes to make. In a bowl, combine cream cheese, sour cream, and mayonnaise. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Then stir in some shredded cheddar cheese because you can never have too much cheese, am I right? Add a dash of hot sauce for a little kick and season it all up with salt and pepper. And there you have it. The most epic cream cheese dip known to mankind. Alright, snack lovers, get ready for a treat. We're making cream cheese stuffed peppers, and they're going to blow your mind. First, grab some mini bell peppers and slice them in half. Scoop out the seeds and set them aside. In a bowl, mix together cream cheese, shredded mozzarella, and a bit of garlic powder. Stuff each pepper half with the creamy mixture and place them on a baking sheet. Pop them in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. And there you have it, the perfect snack for any occasion. Creamy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.